everyone, this is your Mad Yogi Eileen bringing you another one of our Espresso Yoga. So for this one, stand on the long edge of your mat. So we're looking at each other. Yeah, I'm just adjusting my mat. So come to the top, to the long edge of your mat. Roll your shoulders. Deep, full breath. From here, interlace your fingers. Right thumb on top. Flip your hands up. Lengthen up. Full breath here. It's always nice to have deep, full breaths when the body is this open. From here, you're welcome to mirror me, but I am going to cue my rights and my lefts, yes? So, the heel of my right hand pushes up to start initiating that opening in my right side, or again, just mirror me, or you do your right. Push your right hip to the right side, lateral flexion, making sure your knees are not hyperextended here. Never lock your knees. Feel that opening from the heel of your hand down the side of the body. From here, squeeze your right side to lift up. Heel of the left hand, or you're mirroring me, pushing up to initiate that opening in your side. Push the hip to the left side, big letter C, yes? Not a letter S, it's a big letter C. Squeezing back up. From here, left leg comes behind in a cross. Right hand, heel of that hand initiates this opening, and push your hips to the right side. Keep adjusting your footing here, yes? Keep adjusting your footing, opening the side. Squeezing the right side to release. Release the crossing of your arms, crossing of your legs. Right leg behind. Heel of the left hand, or mirroring me, lifts up to initiate this lateral flexion and come into that pose. Looking up towards the open side if you can. Squeezing back up. Release the crossing of your legs. Release the arms, soften them, but squeeze, activate your back muscles. And come momentarily in mountain pose as you open your legs nice and wide for our goddess stance. Bend the knees, backs of the hands together. Wave your arms up. Candle arms, yes? Hands together, forearms together, elbows lifted up in our goddess stance. From here, come into shallow twists. Twisting to the right side, or to my right, mirror me if you want. Center, left. These are inherently shallow, yes? Center, right, center, left. My legs are not shifting side to side. Center, right, center, left, back to center, and all the way down. From here, hands hold on to your ankles, knees come into straight lines. Yeah, if you can see my knees, I'm moving my arms out of the way to show you my knees. From here, I hope your screen is movable. If not, just listen to the instructions and trust yourself. Your right arm is pushing into your ankle, drifting the body to the left. Your left elbow naturally bends, and your left hand is pulling you to the left side. So it's a different kind of a goddess shoulder twist. Your right shoulder comes to the center, and if you can, you're looking towards your left. Back to center. Listen out. Left hand pushes into your ankle, drifting the body to the right. Right hand pulling you to the right side. Left shoulder drops down the middle, and your gaze is towards the right. It's a different kind of goddess twist. Back to center, keeping your knees straight. Right hand pushing you to the left. Left pulling you to the left. Looking towards the left. Right shoulder drops to the center. Back to center. One more to the right side. Same cues. We know what to do now. One more per side. Come back to center. To the left. In a different Mad Yogi goddess twist. Center to the right. But there's a lot happening in your arms and your legs. Come back to center, hands down on the mat. Bend your knees. Walk your feet back to center. Bend the knees, backs of the hands together, wave up. And again, as per our usual, if you want a few minutes in Shavasana, you're welcome to do so. But our Espresso yogas are designed to set you up so you can just go quickly afterwards. Squeeze the back, circle the arms, or a few minutes here. One hand on your heart space, one hand on your belly. Deep, full breaths. Lengthen out the inhalations, especially the exhalations, yeah? One more breath. Inhale. And exhale. Flutter your eyes open, roll your shoulders, and let's get on with our day. Or rest if you're doing this in the evening.